As a speaker, your audience is looking for a balanced viewpoint. They don't want to be listening to someone that they're agreeing with. So if you're going to come onto the stage and you have a viewpoint that they already agree with, why should they listen to you? On the other hand, if you're going to have a viewpoint that everything that you say, they totally disagree with, again, that might cut you off from the audience and they might not listen to you entirely. So your aim is to have a balance between a contrarian viewpoint and a conformist viewpoint. Contrarian is where there are parts of your presentation where the audience is going to disagree with you. Conformist is parts of your presentation where the audience do agree with you. Let's take a look at what that means. A conformist viewpoint is where you agree with the group. A contrarian viewpoint, you take an opposing view and embrace topics that the group disagrees with. A conformist viewpoint says that it's not broken, let's leave it. A contrarian viewpoint says it's not broke, but let's improve it. A conformist viewpoint, there's no need to argue. Why need to? Because we agree with you. A contrarian viewpoint says, let's change the world. So in building up your speech, remember to have a balance of a contrarian viewpoint and a conformist viewpoint. And by doing so, you'll ensure with a high probability of a success that your audience listens to you from start to finish. And that's it. Let's now move to the last lecture in this section. And that's all about how you can engage on any level with anybody at any time, which is called speaking off the cuff or impromptu speaking.